Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are celebrating a beautiful and heartwarming moment from the latest season of Izingane Temple that is aired on the DSTV channel, Mzansi Magic channel 161. So we're diving into how Sneh and Hem's siblings have put their past conflicts behind and are a united and strong family. This is a story about forgiveness, healing, and the power of family bonds, even when things get complicated. So, before we jump in, let's watch this beautiful interview that they had with DSTV.
Who is more likely to bring drama? Who is more likely to laugh at inappropriate moments?
I said both because that be.
Who is most likely to use a matchmaking dating site?
Oh, shoot me. I don't know.
Who is more likely to post a selfie, even during an apocalypse?
But sorry.
So guys, wasn't that beautiful to watch, guys? Because for a long time, Usnem Seluk's relationship with her siblings was rocky. We saw tension, misunderstandings, and public disagreements over the past few seasons of Isingane's Temple. Sneh has had the struggles growing up in a big polygamous family, especially after losing her mother young. These challenges were complicated by conflicts with their brothers and sisters we saw in the previous season, some of which spilled into public arguments. But despite all of that, there was always a spark of hope beneath the surface, a desire to heal and reconnect. So season 3 marked a turning point. We witnessed something truly special like this interview that we just saw. Sneh and her siblings deciding to put pride aside, have honest conversations, and forgive each other. Through heartfelt discussions and family meetings, they worked through their grievances and rebuilt their trust step by step. Sneh openly shared how important this was for her. I quote her in English: "We are siblings, and family is everything. I want us to be a unit, not divided." Close quote. Her siblings echoed this sentiment, showing vulnerability and willingness to move forward as one. This reconciliation wasn't just for cameras, it felt authentic and meaningful. So, since making up, Sneh and the siblings have become visibly closer. The show highlights the moment of genuine laughter, support, and teamwork. Guys, before I continue, for those who haven't watched this season, you can go and watch it on DSTV Mzansi Magic 161. It was an interesting season and it finished airing, I think, end of July, beginning of August. So, to continue, whether it's attending family events together, helping one another through challenges, or just spending quality time, it's clear that the bond between them has grown stronger than ever. Look at this, guys. Fans of the show have also noticed this change, praising the siblings, showing us what true forgiveness looks like. This unity has had profound effect on Sneh herself. She's more confident, positive, and focused on building a better future, not only for herself, but for her children and siblings too. This healing of family wounds has been a catalyst for Sneh's personal growth and happiness. It's inspiring to see how reconciliation can change lives. True story, guys. For Izingane's Temple fans, this development brings a fresh, uplifting energy to the show. It moves the narrative beyond conflict and drama to focus on love, healing, and family strength. And for viewers dealing with their own family struggles, Sneh and the siblings' journey serves as a powerful reminder. No matter the past, it's never too late to rebuild stronger together. So, guys, what do you think about Sneh and the siblings making up and becoming a united family? Have you been following their journey? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, subscribe for more content on your favorite reality stars and stories. Thanks for watching. Remember, guys, family is everything and forgiveness can truly heal. See you next time. Bye.